Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the dataset in Python and in the VS Code platform. So usually the problem with Python is that in most of the platforms that we commonly use like uh, Google Colab or we use other platform like VS Code, but there is no interface available where you can view the data as a whole just like in R or any other software. So for that, the solution is discussed here. So in the VS Code, you go and in the extensions, you download the extension data Wrangler. So you can search it here and then download it and it will show you the dataset. So once you download it and install it, you already loaded the data or you already given a file path, you will go here and open the directory. Usually it's in the downloads, so you will go there and find the data file that you wanted to load. So my data file is starting with w, so I will go at the end and find my data set. So it was world data.csv. So when I selected the world data, so it has started automatically started to open in the data wrangler. So it will take some time and it will say give the error if there is an attribute error. So what you can do is go back and open the data file again, go in w, and when you find the data, right click it. So you can find the data file. When I installed this data wrangler, I connected it that it should focus on CSV files. You can set the it to open other files too, but for me it is connected to the CSV file for now. So I will refresh it so that the new file that has been saved, it can be found in the data file. So I will go down and find that world data file. It should be in W. So this is the data file. So when I right click, open the data wrangler, it will start to load. So it will open like this. So it will give error. It has given error earlier because there were two reasons. First, I didn't select the Excel file. It was a Word file in the first example. In the second example, I selected the Excel file, not the CSV. So if you select the Excel file, you have to edit. You have to tell which encoder you need to use. So it has selected the CSV. So it is telling me for each observation that it has no missing. All of them are unique. It has 2% unique values. This is the distribution of first variable, second variable, so on. So this is the way you can view the data set. Okay, so it is also detecting that there are some missing values. So in this video, we focused on showing you how to load the data. So in this video, you can notice some of the errors are there, but errors are there so that you can see that how you will find. So when you see the data file, when you go and search it, sometime it will not come. You have to refresh it because the VS Code is already opened, and if there is a change in the folder, it will not pick unless you refresh it. Thank you very much.